Hi again, everybody. This video is Astro Excel projection for the week ahead. Starting Sunday 1/14, you can see on the green line we have this gradual uptrend for the whole week. Trading starts tonight at 1800 here. The green line is up, and then it's kind of floating mostly sideways and slightly upward all the way until the 18th, which is Thursday, where we peak out here, and then we get that little bump up and down. The moon is pretty much bouncing between +10, -10 areas, with the big spikes late in the week up here at about +18, and then Friday or Saturday morning then at 3 a.m. where that bottoms out. Anyhow, what I've done here, I've got these three arrow markers pointing to these three spots this week where the blue line and green line are coming to significant pivots together at the same time. So we're looking at about 10 a.m. here, Monday the 15th. And then on Thursday, we've got a peak high on the green, a peak high on the blue. And that's coming together at about 1400 Thursday afternoon. And then Friday, we have these two peaks around 2 p.m., 1400 on the blue line and the green line. So what I've done then, I've marked these trend lines on the chart here near the timeline. And this is where the two lines are in sync this week. So you can see here, starting late on the 14th, the blue line and green line are moving up here together. And then we've got this little down period here coming in Monday night around 1800 where they're in sync for a couple hours. And then as we move into Tuesday morning, both lines will turn up around 8 a.m. and they'll be in sync together till we peak out here. I'm going to call this about 1900. Actually, they're going to both top earlier, about 1700. So that's good through the normal day session. And then we don't sync up again till the 18th. Wednesday is kind of choppy for the most part on both lines. But then we sync up again on the 18th on Thursday morning, where the blue line starts turning up at 3 a.m. and then the green line comes into an agreement at 7 a.m. until 2 p.m. So they're both bullish until 2 p.m. on the 18th Eastern Time. And then you can see after we peak here, both lines are in sync with this little down, up, and down jog. And then they're both starting to turn up. The blue line turns up here at 2 a.m. Friday morning. The green line not until 8 a.m. But then they're both in sync until 1400 or 2 p.m. Friday afternoon. So that's points of synchronicity this week where you can look for trend moves to take place, and then the key potential pivot areas for some maybe significant intra-week highs and lows.